it's not really more of me paying a lot of taxes every year. It's when I see people suffering from that. That's what I cannot take as a, not as a taxpayer, but as a Filipino. Doon ako galit na kayo, itong mga korap na to, nakakatulog kayo sa aircon, sa malalaking bahay, tapos yung mga tao, pag bumaha, pag may nangyaring calamity, ultimo family members nila, ultimo buhay nila, nawawala. Kaya nila yun, I mean, how dare they? That's why I'm all for the movement against corruption. Maybe, like what si Sir Vince Hizon of DPWH said, na hindi agad-agad, this will be a very long time because it has been systemic already. So, matagal-tagal, pero kailangan may gumagalaw. Yun eh. Huwag nating hayaan na mangyari na naman sa atin, bigla na lang itong mabaon sa limot. Because of, that's how I saw it. I've been reviewing past corruption cases in the government na parang all of a sudden, nakakalimutan siya. Tinatapakan siya ng iba-ibang klaseng balita just so people could forget. And the Filipinos are not stupid. We always remember. Especially right now with our platforms. So, wag kami. Wag ang Pinoy nila.
So, mabalik tayo sa movie.